Today I'm going to show you how to add your Somfy wireless keypad to the new Rollixo IO panel. Firstly, showing you how to pair the keypad to the Rollixo, followed by how to change the default code. Firstly, we need to remove the screw from the bottom of the front cover and take the front cover off. Press and hold the program button for 2 seconds until the light illuminates. Then enter the default code on the keypad 5 zeros. Press and hold the button to the top until the light flashes. Then choose the button you'd like to operate the door. By pressing and holding that until the lights go out. Next, change the default code to a 5 or 6 digit number of your choice. In this example, I'm going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First, enter the default code, followed by S for 2 seconds. Then enter the code you'd like it to be, followed by the S. Then do the same process again. It will beep to confirm. Entering your code will unlock the keypad to 30 seconds. So to open your SeceuroGlide garage door, enter your code followed by the button you approach.